Craving a delicious cup of coffee, but hate brewing a whole pot? You need a single-serve coffee maker. In this video, we're putting the top contenders of 2024 to the test. We'll brew, we'll taste, and reveal the absolute best single-serve coffee maker for you. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. The Tchibo Machine. This machine impressed our reviewer, earning 5 stars for its performance and adjustable features. She loved it and highly recommends it. The Tchibo Machine fits most kitchen countertops, with streamlined dimensions of 12.4 by 7 by 15.6 inches and a weight of 18.1 pounds. Its elegant design features a blend of matte and shiny surfaces in black and silver. The buttons are hidden when off and illuminate blue when on, adding to its sleek aesthetic. It brews 3 types of coffee: espresso, 2 ounces, regular coffee, 6 ounces, and large coffee, 8 ounces, catering to various preferences. The adjustable spout accommodates different cup sizes, and water quantity presets can be customized. The Tchibo Machine is easy to clean and provides alerts for descaling, refilling the water tank, adding beans, and emptying the coffee ground container. Number 2. AeroPress XL. The AeroPress XL is a premium coffee maker that doubles the original brewing capacity while retaining its features. It has a semi-transparent black plastic chamber, a Triton shatterproof plastic carafe, and holds up to 20 ounces or 590 milliliters of coffee. Standing at 18 inches or 45 centimeters tall, it's easy to use and store. It combines the taste of an espresso machine with the precision of a pour-over and the ease of a French press. The AeroPress's 3-in-1 brewing process, immersion, aeration, and pressure, delivers clean, flavorful coffee. It's simple to clean but requires proprietary XL paper filters. Priced at $69.99, it offers great value, making twice as much coffee as the original AeroPress and competing with high-end French press machines while being more affordable than top espresso machines. Number 3. Breville Barista Express Impress. Most of the time, only a commercial machine can deliver a great shot of espresso. Enter the Breville Barista Express Impress espresso machine, bringing pro barista grade espresso to your home. Its brushed stainless steel construction makes it visually appealing. Despite its size, it fits under wall cabinets and slides easily to access the water reservoir. The intuitive design moves from grinding to tamping, brewing, and milk frothing, with bright LEDs for visibility. The semi-automatic Express Impress is user-friendly. It may take time to find the perfect grind size, but the auto-dose system ensures consistency once you do. Just a few tamps fill the portafilter basket correctly. Our reviewer found it produced the best coffee and hot chocolate she'd ever made at home. For saving money and space, consider the Breville Infuser BES 840 XL, which lacks a built-in grinder but offers similar features. Number 4. Breville Barista Touch Impress. This is a remarkable machine that upgrades your daily routine with quick, rich coffee. It also accommodates non-dairy milk by recalibrating pressure, temperature, and timings. Made from stainless steel, this sturdy espresso machine is attractive, though it does show fingerprints. It includes cleaning tools like a brush and descaling powder, and many parts are dishwasher safe. Despite its compact size, it boasts a 67 Oz water tank and features an intuitive touchscreen that guides you through drink options and settings. The machine suggests the best grind size based on your beans, but you can customize settings. It remembers your preferences, speeding up your routine. The Auto Mill Q feature has froth settings for dairy, almond, soy, and oat milk. It heats up in 3 seconds and consistently produces creamy, strong coffee. Priced at $1,499.95 from retailers like Amazon and Best Buy, it's a worthwhile investment for barista-style coffee at home. Number 5. Nespresso Vertuo Creatista. If you love capsule coffee machines, the Nespresso Vertuo Creatista is a top choice. The Vertuo Creatista boasts a sleek, modern design that exudes elegance. Despite its size, which is comparable to bean-to-cup espresso machines, its stainless steel finish gives it a premium, professional look. The barista-style steam wand enhances its appeal. Attention to detail is evident with features like the generous finger loop for tilting the steam wand and the indent for your hand at the base of the removable water container. The overall design is smooth and well considered, with no clunky elements. Brewing coffee with the Nespresso Vertuo Creatista is simple. Select a capsule, slide the lever to unlock the brew head, insert the capsule, and lock the brew head. Press the button, and your coffee is ready. It heats up in about a minute and makes a single espresso in 55 seconds or a double in 75 seconds. The Nespresso Vertuo Creatista is the most expensive Nespresso Vertuo machine at $749, available from Nespresso, Amazon, and independent retailers. Capsules start at 98 cents each, with prices varying by size and type. All right, coffee lovers, you've seen the brews, now for the verdict. The winner, for its perfect balance of convenience, coffee quality, and customization options, is the Breville Barista Express Impress. But hey, if you have a different brewing style, there's a perfect machine out there for you too. Let me know in the comments what your coffee priorities are, and I can help you find your match.